Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your boy Andre back again with another video. I've been dropping content helping people with their photo booth business, and if you like content like that, go ahead and subscribe and like the video. And if you find it helpful, just leave a comment. I really appreciate it, and it's good for the algorithm. Today I bought another 360 photo booth and I'll be cutting it opening the whole case and showing you what's inside, while I tell you guys why I even bought a second photo booth. I'm kind of excited to do this. So I'm going to open the case and see what's in there, what it came with. So let me fix up this camera and show you guys everything that's in the case. So stay tuned. I'll just cut this. This actually arrived pretty fast. I was surprised. Took about 3 weeks to arrive. So I can't complain. The shipping was really fast. Shipped by DHL. Came with this. I love these cases. It's funny because my last photo booth was way more expensive than this one, and I didn't get a nice case like this. Let me just lay it down. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. Naturally it would be. So this is it right here. Oh, it's on the other side, so let me turn it for y'all. Alright. So the best thing about this is when I'm doing an event, I don't have to rent a U-Haul with this. I can just put everything in the back seat or in my trunk, which is perfect because that's going to save me a lot of money. My other 360 photo booth is really big. It cannot fit in my car, and I don't have an SUV, so I have to rent a U-Haul every time. This is definitely going to save me money. So go ahead and open this for y'all. And if it open. Oh. This is actually really pretty. The print is very nice. This is the name of my company, 360 and Beyond. Now I'm gonna just stand on it and see how sturdy it is. Yeah, this is very sturdy. 3 people can hold on this, no problem, because I'm a pretty big guy. But yeah, that definitely looks good. Now what it comes with, it came with the ring light, right? It came with all the knickknacks, so the screws, 2 remotes, more screws, came with the cords, screws. So I definitely have some assembling to do. Cords. Yo, it came with a money gun. How cool is this? I already have money guns. I have 2 of them, but this is different. It's my favorite color, red. It says Supreme, so that's pretty cool. Definitely it came with the arm. It's the arm right here. Came with the plug. Now this, I believe, is the LED lights for right here, so I have to install that as well. Came with the manual, more knick-knack paddywhacks, a case for all the knick-knacks, and it came with this cool red carpet for the booth. How cool is this, guys? This was actually a really good deal. If you guys want the supply for this, leave a comment, yo, and I'll go ahead and reach out to you and we can get it done. But such a good deal, guys. This is just crazy. It also came with these, but I don't like these, so I'm not going to use them. And I actually got some really cool props that are high in quality. But yeah, this is it. It's pretty cool. Now I'm going to assemble it and test it out and make sure everything is working. So now you might be wondering, why did I get another 360 photo booth? The answer is very simple. I started getting a lot of double bookings. So I would get a booking for a certain day, and then I get another call for a booking on the same day, the same time, and I'm like, yo, every time I got a double booking, I kind of got annoyed. Like, you know, I felt like I was leaving money on the table, and it happened quite a few times. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna buy another one, you know, and, you know, have somebody else operate it while I'm doing an event. because I kept passing up these double bookings. I'm like, yo, I'm leaving money on the table, yo, I can't do this. So I got another one. But then I got it and I'm like, oh shoot, I'm gonna have to buy another TV, 2 more lights, I have to buy another Apple TV. It was just, I didn't think about all of that because I'm the type where, like, I'll plan, but I didn't think it 100% through, which is kind of fine because I learn as I go along. So I have double bookings this entire weekend. So I have 2 events on Saturday, 2 events on Sunday, and I'm kind of nervous, like my anxiety is kind of high, but I'm not too worried. I think I have everything figured out. I just need to test everything, make sure everything is working, and then should be good to go. But that's pretty much it, guys. This is my 360 photo booth, the second one. It's actually the smaller version to the one that I have now, which, to tell you the truth, the fact that I can carry everything in this case, I probably won't be using the bigger one unless the customer requires it, like a bigger photo booth, or I have a double booking. Because this is just, I just bring this and the lights and the TV. It's just perfect. No renting of a U-Haul or none of that. So yeah, that is everything that I got. It's kind of like a review, but not so much. Maybe I'll post a video of it working and tell you my opinion on it. But I've seen them operate before and they're pretty good. So guys, if you like this video, just like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you did. If you want the link for this, just reach out to me, leave a comment and I'll reach out to you. Alright guys, so till next time, the next video, peace.